up, you guys? It's your girl Latina, aka Little. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And for today's video, if you read the title, I'm going to be unboxing GOT7 New Album. Oh my god, this comeback has been amazing, you guys. I can't wait, so stay tuned if you want to watch that. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join your girl and be part of the family, because subscribing is completely free. And I could tell if you guys are not subscribed to me, but let's just get this video started. Let's start. Okay, so I got it. So I ordered my K-pop album. I always order my K-pop albums from this place. Let me open it. So I always order some of my K-pop albums from this place. And I ordered this one on Thursday last week and it came on Saturday. So I'll put the link down below so you guys could check them out. Here it is, you guys. Oh my god. It's the GOT7 Winter Heptagon. You guys know, I love K-pop. GOT7 is one of my favorite groups of all time. They're just the most amazing K-pop group of all time. Like, I love that. I love this group so much, and they mean the world to me. Especially when they came back with a new album. I was just like, no freaking way they have a new album, and I was so excited because it's been a long time since they had an album, and I was so excited that they have a new album. So I hope, I don't even know who I'm getting. I don't even know, but I'm so excited, you guys. This is how this looks. I'm so excited. The little booklet. Okay, I'm looking for Jackson Wang and JB's photo card. Okay, you guys, that's all I'm looking for right now. Okay, that's what I want right now. Just look at them right here. What is this? This is so cute. Oh my god. Literally the CD just pop off. Stickers. So here's the book. Let's see who I got as photo cards, you guys. I was in shock. Okay, I got a Jackson Wang. Jackson Wang. And then I got a Mark. So here is the album. Look how gorgeous it is. The booklet. You have the Winter Heptagon right there. And then it says right here, GOT7. Okay. Look at everybody right here in the car, you guys. They're looking so good. Winter Heptagon. Then you have all their songs right here, you guys. Jackson. Oh my god. Bam bam. Jackson, my bias, Mr. Wang himself. Look how amazing he looks. So cute. Oh my god, look at him right here. You guys, Jackson Wang has been my bias forever, but also JB. JB is my first bias from GOT7, and then Jackson Wang. Got Jung Jae right here. Yu-Gi-Oh! Then you got my other bias, JB. Oh my god. Look at his outfit. Just look at him. Wow, so amazing, you guys. He looks amazing. Then you got Bam Bam. They just look so amazing in this album. I like this outfits that they're wearing, the outfits from this one. I do want the other album. I don't know if I'm ever gonna get the white one, but if I do, I'll do another unboxing. There is Mark, so I feel like this album was Mark because I got a photo card for Mark and the poster. So I'll show the poster right now. He looks so nice. Jing Jung. There they are again. And then we have the photo cards. We have Mark, and then we have Jackson Wang. Jackson Wang's looking super nice right there, you guys. And then you get some stickers. Here they are again, you guys. This is so pretty how they look right here. It's amazing. You have Mark. You have, look at JB right there. Look at Jackson. Oh my god, Jackson. Yin Young, Jung Jae, Bam Bam, Yu-Gi-Oh! And then in the back, it has them, they wrote something saying thank you. And it's just them right there in the back saying thank you and everything. And then also the poster. Let's see the poster. The poster I got Mark. Sorry you can see the glare, that's just my vanity lights. But that's so cute, you guys. And then here is the CD. Like I said, I kind of want to get the other one. Comment down below if I should get the other one. And also do like an unboxing of the other one because I will love that. I will love to do that, you guys. I never know what to use for these stickers. I still have the other stickers from the other albums they have because I never really use them. But this is so amazing, you guys. Like I'm in shock. Completely in shocked. I'm so happy for their comeback and everything. Oh. They're just like so pretty, guys. Oh my god, so amazing. This album is a really amazing album. I love these songs. I like Python. I love Smooth. Smooth is like, I love Smooth. All of these songs are amazing. I love all these songs, you guys. And I really love GOT7. GOT7 has my heart. GOT7 is always, I've always been a fan of GOT7 forever. They're always gonna have my heart. They're the guys, they're the boys that I want to meet one day and just tell them thank you for their music. Because my mom also loved their music and her bias was Jackson, so her bias was Jackson. But this is amazing, you guys. I just can't believe it. I just can't believe they came back. I hope they bring more music out, because you guys, or a tour. I wish I could see them again. I saw them in their concert in 2018 at the Forum. Just do a tour. Just do a tour for me. For everybody. But I just can't believe they have a new album, you guys. I'm speechless. That has been it for my video. Comment down below, what is your favorite song from GOT7's new album? And yeah, let me know if you want to see more K-pop unboxing videos, because there's other K-pop albums I want to get, so I can unbox them. Yeah, that has been it, and that has been me. I look crusty mostly in this video, but it's okay, you know what? Anything for GOT7. But that has been it, and that has been me. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and join the Funny Bunny family. And that has been it, and that has been me, you guys. Follow me in all my links down below. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Okay. Bye! Like, can we just not? Can we just focus on this thing and be like, they look so amazing?